In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your website to rank number one in your location using HostPapa. The journey to ranking number one starts with setting up your website properly on HostPapa. It all begins with selecting fast hosting, and HostPapa's Lightspeed servers are a perfect choice because Google loves fast websites. Next, you'll want to install WordPress with just one click from the HostPapa cPanel. To keep your site running smoothly and quickly, choose a lightweight theme like Astra, GeneratePress, or Cadence. Don't forget to install a powerful SEO plugin. Rank Math is recommended, but Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack are great alternatives too. Moving on, targeting local keywords is crucial for your success. You want to use phrases that people in your area are actively searching for. Instead of the general best plumber, opt for specific terms like best plumber in Cebu City or affordable plumbing service Cebu. Tools such as Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, or even Ahrefs can assist you in honing in on these keywords. Ensure that the name of your location features prominently across your page titles, meta descriptions, headings like H1 and H2, image alt texts, and URL slugs. The next step is to optimize your Google Business Profile. Start by heading over to the Google Business Profile Manager and either create or claim your listing. Fill in precise details such as your business name, address, and phone number, ensuring they match what's on your website. Complete your profile with your business hours, services offered, products available, and of course, appealing photos. Remember, encouraging your customers to leave 5-star reviews can significantly boost your local ranking. To excel in local SEO, you also need to optimize your on-page SEO specifically for local searches. Make sure to display your business address visibly on your contact page alongside an embedded Google map. Adding schema markup via your SEO plugin can enhance your page's appeal to search engines. Ensure each page focuses on one main keyword, includes 1 to 2 internal links, and has alt tags for every image. Building local backlinks is another important tactic. Backlinks lend credibility to your site in Google's eyes. Try securing links from local directories like Yelp or Yellow Pages, as well as local blogs, newspapers, and the websites of business partners. Page speed is vital, and HostPapa offers tools that can help. Utilizing Lightspeed Cache, optimizing images with Smush or Short Pixel, and activating a Cloudflare CDN can dramatically improve your site's speed. Utilize Google PageSpeed Insights or Metrics to monitor your site's performance. Creating local content can work wonders as well. Writing blog articles about regional topics or the local community piques interest, and search engines reward this relevant content. Consider posts like Top 5 Cafes near Quezon City you'll love, or Why Homeowners in Makati Prefer Solar Panels to engage your audience. Finally, to ensure your strategies are paying off, use tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics to track your progress. If you're a Rank Math user, its analytics feature is great for tracking keyword positions. By following these steps meticulously, you should see your website climb to number one within your location.